Hello everyone, this is Baba Kwasi. Happy to see you, or at least not in person. Needless to say, we are experiencing a moment with stomach to stomach and face to face is a bit challenged. And I must admit, it has put a damper on my public gatherings at schools, churches, business places of business, but that's okay. I'm going to reach out and make an announcement. Maybe many of you have not known, but back in 1997, I started an online site called See Me Online, as in seemeonline.com, a place for news, information, and e-commerce. Well, the website still exists, and I've decided to open up the floodgates as it relates to providing information, inspiration, and education. One of the topics I want to deal with under the circumstances that many of us around the country are living is something as simple as food preparation and how to do more, simply put, with less. So some of the things that See Me Online will also give outside of a video blog or vlog, as they say, are simple recipes and lessons on something many of us have gotten away from, lessons we should have learned from those before us, and that's how to cook. So today I will just give more or less a audio version of something simple, a simple dish you can make: rice and beans. Now, for those, if you are like me, cooking rice on the stove, it's a little complicated. But for those of you who know how, hey, I'm proud of you. But for me, I learned how to cook rice in 23 minutes in a microwave. You need a big bowl, a bowl deep enough to at least be 3 to 4 inches above where the rice and water level is so that it doesn't boil over. Now, when I say rice, yes, I mean rice. You know, when I say beans, well, you can cook your own, but this is going to take a while, to cook and prepare. I'm going to go the quick route. How about just a can of beans? Your favorite beans. In this case, this is pinto beans with a little jalapeno pepper. Now, after about, let's say, 15 of those 23 to 25 minutes, while this rice is cooking, you can add to it diced green pepper, diced onion, whatever seasoning you like. Now, needless to say, I like spicy, so I'm going to go with Paw seasoning. But other than that, a little salt, a little pepper to your taste, don't push it. But this is a simple meal. Let's say 2.5 to 3 cups of rice with 3.5 to 4 cups of water is all you need. After about 13 to 14 minutes, you add your beans. If you're a meat eater, you can add some ground beef, maybe about a pound, pound and a quarter, pound and a half. This will feed about 6 to 8 people. Full and filling dish. So, soon to come on See Me Online and some of the other media, let's say social media tools that are out there, such as Facebook, Instagram, what have you. I want to make sure that I inform, inspire, and throw out some cooking recipes and some cooking videos. So stay tuned. Meantime, in between time, if all you got is a can of beans, some onion or onion powder, green pepper, some rice. You want to cook a big bag? Well, we'll have another video on how you cook some beans. Oh, yeah. Be it chili beans or whatever you like. And for the spicy, Papa's seasoning. So stay tuned, like, share. But the main thing is that we learn how to do things that we have taken for granted for so long. And that's how to do for ourselves. And cooking is one of those essential meals. This particular meal that can feed about 6 or so. And what? $10, $12? Or would you rather spend, line up in a drive-thru for a burger and fry and a biggie drink at $8 a pop, when you can feed a family for about 10 to 12? Know what I mean? Peace and blessings. I'm out of here.